Welcome to Savannah Technical College, where bold ambitions meet hands-on training. With over 150 career-focused programs and an almost 100% graduate success rate, we don't just prepare our students for careers, we prepare them for success. The Savannah campus is the beating heart of Savannah Technical College. It's where endless opportunities are housed in state-of-the-art facilities. Here, students can get ahead with 28 transferable credits available to any University System of Georgia institution. This campus offers premier preparation for careers in high-demand fields, from nursing to film to accounting and cybersecurity. Specialized spaces like Goodman Hall host programs in cosmetology, barbering, and even first-year culinary arts students. For industry-focused learners, our industrial program and automotive technology buildings feature programs like welding, drafting, and electric vehicle maintenance. The Savannah campus also offers adult education with free training/preparation classes for GED and English as a Second Language courses. Located near the Savannah Hilton Head International Airport, our Crossroads campus is a hub for precision and technology. With a 5,000 square foot hangar, this campus specializes in aircraft structural systems, avionics, and even luxury jet cabinet making. Future protectors of our community begin their law enforcement careers here with tailored programs designed to prepare them for real-life challenges. Big opportunities await in a hometown setting at our Effingham campus. Students gain hands-on training in nursing, welding, precision machining, and cosmetology. Empowering high school students to earn college credits, Effingham is helping shape the career goals of tomorrow's leaders today. Our programs continue to open doors, including opportunities in the growing field of commercial truck driving. At Effingham, your future is within reach. Our Liberty campus in Hinesville brings career-focused training to students and military families alike. From air conditioning systems to automotive technology and nursing, Liberty offers tailored programs designed to meet the community's diverse needs. We go further, offering base courses in EMS and criminal justice, making higher education accessible for all. We also provide dual enrollment welding opportunities, connecting campuses at both Liberty and Effingham. Our state-of-the-art culinary facility at 7 West Bay Street in Savannah's Historic District is designed to help second-year culinary arts and baking and pastry arts students perfect their craft. Within its walls, you'll find 2 fully equipped commercial training kitchens where creativity comes to life, a group demonstration kitchen for collaborative learning, and a student-operated restaurant that's open to the public. Every detail is crafted to bridge the gap between classroom instruction and real-world experience. At Savannah Technical College, experience real-world applications with internships and hands-on training that meet industry standards. Join a supportive community where instructors, advisors, and peers are deeply invested in your success and benefit from strong ties to local businesses, opening doors to exclusive job opportunities. Your future starts here at Savannah Technical College. With flexible schedules, free adult education for GED prep, and programs tailored to coastal Georgia's high-demand industries, the possibilities for your success are endless. No matter which campus you choose, your future starts here.